everyone. So today I am going to show you how I do my Rui makeup. I know it's been a very popular cosplay and a lot of people want to know how to do it, so today I'm going to teach you how. As you guys know, this is my very first video. It's going to be the first video that goes up on my YouTube channel, and it's going to be the first video on my Patreon. For any of you who are interested in seeing more videos like this, I will have many more videos like this up on my Patreon. This one is going to be the only one that's public, so definitely go check that out. I'll put the link in the description, and if you want to have an inside look on any of my cosplays, get tutorials, get work in progress, that's going to be all on there, so definitely go check that out. We're starting off with KLAVUU's Revitalizing Pearl Treatment Toner. We're going to apply that all over our face. And we're going to pat it in. Next, we're going to take our handy dandy glue stick and we're going to glue up our eyebrows. Make sure that you're patting it down when it gets tacky so that the glue sticks, and we're gonna do this twice. Now with our Ben Nye Cream Contour Palette, we're gonna take the reddish color and apply it all over our eyebrows. This is gonna make sure that none of the black of our eyebrows come through. Next, we're gonna set with our Ben Nye Colorless Powder, just to make sure that none of that color moves. So this is gonna ensure that you can't see anything underneath. You're gonna start with a clean slate. You're gonna put 2 layers of this concealer on just to ensure that you can't see your eyebrows, and then you're gonna set it. And here I'm putting on my wig net because I forgot. And now we're gonna take our Mehron Cream Blend Stick in white and just put it all over our face. Make sure to pat instead of smudge it, and don't forget your neck too. Don't forget your ears, your hairline, and the sides of your neck if you're doing cosplay for pictures, or the back if you're doing cosplay for something like a con. Next, we're gonna take the Mehron 8 color palette and we're gonna use the color red to create those dot-like things on Rui's face. So with these, you can do them any size. I'm doing them a little bigger here just so you can see them. Usually they alternate between a small one and a big one. And the nose area is actually really hard. You can see I kind of messed up here and I made the dot huge, but I continued on. And then we're gonna take the same red color and then put it on our eyes to make our eyes look bigger and more almond shaped. And then we're gonna take So Jaded by ColourPop Cosmetics. We're gonna take the turquoise and aquamarine color. So using the aquamarine color, we're gonna go in and shade a little bit. So we're gonna shade our eyes. We're also gonna shade our nose. And this is pretty arbitrary. You can kind of do it wherever you feel like it. And then we're gonna take the turquoise color and we're gonna just go over and highlight where we went with that aquamarine color. I use my finger to blend it. And then we're gonna take the aquamarine color and then go over our lips to give our lips some color. And again, with the turquoise to highlight. Next, we're gonna take a mascara, preferably not the one you use for your eyes, and then we're gonna go over the inside of our lip with black to make him look a little dead. Next, we're gonna take Kat Von D's tattoo liner and go and add the lines where the dots are. You can outline the circles as well. I usually don't. Then we're gonna take aquamarine and turquoise again, and we're gonna shade our neck where our collarbones are. Put the turquoise where the shadows are the darkest. Next, we have our teeth. Now the contacts are a struggle, but just make sure your fingers are really dry and to also use a paper towel. Next, we're gonna put on our lashes. My lashes are actually the tips of a feather boa. Next is the wig and the costume. Just getting my wig in place here. And the gloves. And then you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please check out my Patreon for more content like this.